They look super cute, but they are evil. Totally evil. They have been basically dismantling our car steadily over the last 3 weeks. The windscreen wipers got ripped off in the first day or two. There are teeth marks in bits of the metal up here where they've just basically been chewing the doors. Even here, that's monkey teeth marks. They stand on there and eat the metal. I mean, who does that? They've ripped the trim out. The aerial was used as some sort of whip. They love the wing mirrors. They love trying to break the wing mirrors off by leaping up and down on them. And it's these little ones that are the worst offenders. The car is covered literally in footprints. They've been licking the windows. I mean, there's poo on the car. There's a trampoline kind of kit they've sorted out. What have you been doing under there? Now they've started investigating underneath the car, and now they're pulling the wiring out of the car and just undoing nuts and bolts. So if we make it out of this place, it will be a miracle.